From the drawing to the practical model, what we can do to save your cost. To help electrical engineering providers reduce cost and improve efficiency, E-abel is reshaping the industry through a truly integrated one-stop supply chain with Weipu and Paya. It all begins with a clear and reliable solution. We help clients finalize plans and select components quickly, ensuring every detail fits the application perfectly. Connectors, harnesses, cables, and enclosure bodies all go into production at once. With close coordination among all three partners, we streamline delivery and maximize efficiency. Seamless integration. Precise assembly. Standardized processes reduce coordination time and minimize rework. Every product goes through rigorous performance testing. Ready to power up. Stable and reliable from day one. Fast delivery. Stable lead times. Widely used across industrial automation, energy, telecom, and water treatment sectors. From data to panel wiring, from components to complete cabinets, one partnership, zero hassle. E-abel plus Paya and Weipu. One-stop electrical engineering supply chain solution.